run back to this hotel, change. Tyler got his free to-go coffee. I'm sorry, we're blurry.
It's so freezing cold.
It is always freezing cold, and we're blue.
I'm so blue.
We're very blue. We apologize for the blueness.
Walking so fast, man.
I need to change. I'm literally in pajamas, and our friends Sander and Sophie just like bought us tickets to go to really cool time.
Sprung it on it.
They're so kind. You'll see. I think you probably saw them on the boat.
We looked it up on the internet and it was like...
But our hotel is 15 minutes that way, and the show is 5 minutes that way, so let's do it. I just need a tuk-tuk.
How much are you gonna get it for?
Nothing.
For free?
Yeah.
He's gonna bring us there for free? Oh, I gotta see this.
That one.
30 for 2 people? Got it for 15.
And we're early. But
I mean, it starts in 6 minutes, but if that's early.
yeah, I don't know. I'm nervous. I don't know where they are.
Maybe they're late.
Are you late?
Alright, so our date is a little late, sister. Sorry. Hey, man.
Hey, here's our other date.
There she is.
Hey.
Oh my god, the music just started. Okay.
Yeah. And it's the first of many mornings like this. He's being a baby, just for the record.
It's laundry day and I have no more clothes, so...
And we're hanging out with friends today. We're going to the waterfall, going to see a bear sanctuary, and this is how he's presenting himself.
Do like Mulan and just cut it.
Do we know them? Yeah, we do. Hey guys.
Hey, America. The lady who worked here at the bear sanctuary about why they're kept here. It's because they were used for medicine, and there's actually some really big farms that are still going on in Laos. There was a law put against this about 2016, 2 years ago, a year and a half ago. The law itself is not being implemented on these farms to stop the production of raising bears just for their internal organs, but these cute little bears have all been rescued. There's more than 10 that we've seen. They are playing together, they're sleeping, they're eating, they're really, really cute. And we haven't even made it to the waterfalls. I can't look at myself, so I don't know like what I look like, but I can't even take myself serious right now, so. Alright, we're still making our way up to the top. I just had deja vu with that. We've been here before?
No.
So we're in Luang Prabang still, in Laos. Tomorrow we're actually taking a flight out over to Vietnam. Oh, say hello to the vlog. Hi.
We're off to another country.
One more.
It's kind of crazy. It's just like off to a new country, right? But if you haven't noticed, Tyler is still extremely picky about my pack. Yes?
Yes.
To your satisfaction?
Yes.
We're gonna go over to the Indigo Fabric Village.
and see how the natural dyes and fabrics and textiles are made in Laos. We bought one and we learned a lot about it, and it's like our thing we bought in Laos, our special thing. See, look how pretty. And I wanted to go meet some women who've made it. Just no more. I want knowledge. I want knowledge. Always that one time.
Don't jump. The whole bridge is just moving with every single step. I mean, it's swaying pretty good and it's super bouncy. Oh, this is a little scary.
So a family actually made this bridge. So when you're paying for the
5,000 kip?
5,000 kip, it's going back towards the family, and they actually have to take it away during the rainy season, and then they put it back out. So we're pretty lucky to have even gotten to walk on it. Woo! We found it. It's about 200 yards from the bamboo bridge. So if it's different, but they all do the same thing, but
Yeah.
That is half, but half.
Oh gosh. Think looks good.
So we walked across the bamboo bridge, actually into one of our favorite shops in all of Laos.
And our favorite person.
And our favorite person, Mone. She is an expert weaver. How long have you been doing it for?
Started to do when I was 7 years old.
7 years old. She looks 18, but she's actually 27. I just hope she rubs off on us, you know?
To keep the craft alive. It's nice by hand, it's nice. Made by hand is more nicer, even though it's long. You feel good. When you see the result after you do it, you see direct the result, you feel good.
Like from afar, it looks all the white and everything looks like stitching, but when you get up close, you realize they're all individually placed pieces. She has to count
And
the
if you
spacing
heard
for all
about
these. They're spaced perfectly.
Yeah.
In love with too many things. I'm having the problem of what to bring home.
Mone is making Ashley a custom-made camera strap.
This is like my coolest thing I've ever gotten.
She's so gracious.
Yeah. I never take it off.
I think we've been here for probably 5 hours.
No.
Yeah, babe.
Go to the airport.
Yes, don't want to leave. Gosh.
Thank you.
Really hope I can visit you.
Yes.
Bye.
Like my headband.
Some days are just extremely special, and this was one of them, and you never know who you're gonna meet when you walk across a bamboo bridge. Isn't that crazy?
Alright, and now we need to go back to the hotel, get our packs, and on to the airport. One last look